any of that recorded. Nice. So, what's up, YouTube? Today's been an interesting day, and I'm currently driving to go pick up the two trucks, well, one of the two trucks that was mentioned in the previous video. Now, the trucks are, there's a 2000, maybe, I think 2004, we'll say, F250 diesel that doesn't run, that I picked up at an auction, and a 2001 F150 gasser that does run, that I picked up at an auction. I got about halfway to the meet point and got a call from the person that I'm meeting that says, hey, I know that we have plans to get this truck picked up. How's your schedule look later this week? I was like, well, you know, I work later this week. It's not looking too hot for me to make it out there between now and, you know, Friday, when I have to have all these trucks out by the auction guidelines. And he's like, you know, my guys, he thought they were coming back today. Apparently they're not coming back until next Monday, which is a week from now. He has some heavy equipment parked in front of the F250, and he doesn't know if he has keys on site, you know, all that stuff. I don't know all the details. He just said he doesn't think he can get the F250 out. I said, not a problem. You know, as long as I'm not going to get the storage fees, because I'm supposed to have these picked up by Friday, you know, if you're not going to charge me storage, we can look at early next week. I'll come out and I'll get it. You know, no harm, no foul, no problem. And then I asked him about the F150, since I was planning on driving the F150 back in another video, but I'm already halfway here with a trailer and a truck that the U-joints are going out on. Yeah, that much fun. You hear it a little bit there. It's kind of a rumble that I was thinking was the old tires, and there's like a noise that I didn't hear with the old tires because they were so much louder. But my U-joints have some play in this truck, I'm finding out. About 15-20 minutes away from the pickup point, and I will catch up with you once we see this truck, and hopefully we're driving it onto a trailer. Okay, so we're a couple minutes away from the pickup. I just talked with the point of contact for the seller again, and he let me know that I'm gonna turn onto this road. I'm gonna get a bunch of signs that say, you know, all offices closed, blah, blah, blah. There's gonna be cones across the road. And he said, move the cones and come on in. Here we go. All these blue trucks down here are the paving company. And then they sold off a couple bigger trucks and a couple pickups. I bid on some of the bigger trucks, but really went beyond what I was wanting to spend, so I ended up with two pickup trucks. Oh, I can make it through there. He was saying I might have to move some cones or something, but nah, we got room to squeeze here. I really like these color blue, and both of the trucks I'm getting are this color blue, so it works out. I guess they're a pretty big company out here. I'll have to ask if they know what's up with that F250 that's not running. Just see if he's got any info on it. I think that's the F250 back there that's not running. So, truck started up, drove up here, and have no real problems. I got my straps tucked up in the cab. I got my tie points on the rear. This side isn't so bad. This one's rotten out. The other side looks solid. I didn't really hit on it yet, but it's low on fuel. Said they bought it in 2002 for the owner's son. It's the last F-150 they have of this. Typically they'll keep them for parts. However, this one, they don't have any more. So they upgraded the owner's son. Or no, it went from the owner's son to the foreman. Foreman drove it for a while, and now it's just kind of out. Interesting. So so you can air up the rears. Okay, I've never seen that before. I assume that's not stock, but I don't know. But since it's the last one they had, they opted to sell it at a Richie Bros auction. But we're gonna go ahead and get it on. all this stuff back here is dirty water. It's not oil. I tasted it. It's not. This is stuff on the trailer. No real leaks that I saw, but time to get her going. She's a little big for the trailer, but she fits on there and she's strapped well. She's home. Definitely has some rust, and back here, she's a little crunchy. Back here is good, here's good. Just crunchy there, which is, I guess that's the back of the bed probably. So we'll go ahead and start her up and drive her off. So I've got the key. Put her in reverse. Looking at her in the mirror going down the ramp. It's saying I'm unbuckled. I know I am. That's fine. But now, Michael, number 189, which is the company number. It's got the VIN. Yeah. We'll see. Probably do an oil change on it. Oh, well, that. Yeah, we're gonna ignore that. Okay. Do an oil change on her, clean her up some, and put her back up for sale probably. It's got some high miles. I think, was it 322,000? And pull her up over here for now. So let me put her in reverse. Woohoo! Just a real quick tour under the hood. Battery corrosion. 18-month replacement on the battery. I have no idea when the battery was because it doesn't look like it's marked. But I'm going to say more than 18 months ago. They said this was sitting for a while. But honestly, doesn't look bad in here. Belt looks good. Yeah. I'm happy with it. But we'll definitely go through it, oil change, all that. So real quick, I wanted to take a second and just express my gratitude. Even though 99.7% of people that watch my videos are not subscribed, I still have 178 subscribers. Which doesn't sound like much, but at the same time, it's a lot for me. So I wanted to say thank you to those of you who've hit that subscribe button, the 178 people at this point in time who've taken the time to click that button. My goal for this calendar year is to hit 1,000 subscribers. I want to hit 1,000 before the end of the year, which means that guy's going to get worked on a bunch. We're going to see a ton more trucks come through for quick flips. We'll also have like that diesel F250 that'll be, you know, probably over here once these all move, and it will be what we're just working on in the free time to see if we can get it up and running. As always, this thing's a constant work in progress. The U-joints are going out. I'm gonna have my mechanic verify, and then we'll see. Maybe that'll be a video for us, or maybe I'll just have him do the U-joints. I greatly appreciate it. So if you enjoy the video, if you enjoy the content, let me know down below, like, what kind of content that I make do you guys like the most? You know, if it's big trucks, we'll do more with the big trucks. If it's, you know, picking up stuff and just kind of showing the auction side of things with, you know, the good old Richie Bros auction, that's fine. Like, you know, if it's just fixing up normal cars, let me know. I can try to gear toward it. I can try to do what you guys enjoy. Please leave a like. For those of you who haven't subscribed, please subscribe and leave a comment about what you enjoy. Until next time.